I think that we're kind of coming into a new world. I have two daughters. I really want them to learn something that's great fun, really good at character building, confidence building, and I really want them to have self-defense skills.
My kids have just been blossoming, to be very honest, in this academy.
The focus on the character development of the students is number one. We just use the martial arts as the vehicle for that character development. It is a really unique thing.
So the time I get to spend with her is very limited. So I think the parent class is very effective for anyone, which is almost everyone in Dubai, that struggles with time.
They're not just there to earn belts, they're not just there to learn kicks and punches. They're there because we make them feel like that they're part of our community.
This is really a good training center of self-development in a child. You will see the difference in your child within 1 or 2 classes.
I don't know of any other thing in Dubai that exists like this.
I really think that everybody should do it. I recommend it to everybody.